Hi, it's Jesus Verdeja from the Sarah Cannon Research Institute in Nashville, Tennessee, United States. Today I'll be presenting the results of the bb21217 anti-Bcma CAR T therapy. bb21217 is a novel CAR T that takes the same construct as bb2121, but it is incubated with a PI3 kinase inhibitors, which confers a memory-like phenotype, and it is believed that perhaps this phenotype of cells may help the cells persist longer and hopefully lead to longer durations of remission in patients. The CRB402 study is a phase 1 study of 3 dose levels. The first dose level is 150 million cells, the second is 300 million cells, and the third is 450 million cells with a planned expansion of one of those cohorts. This is going to be an updated result from last year's ASH. The 150 million cohort has the longest follow-up, with the 300, 450 cohorts having the shortest follow-up. In terms of safety, we have seen no new signals of safety. We saw the standard expected toxicity of decreased blood counts, as well as cytokine release syndrome in 66% of patients. The majority of these were grade 1 and 2. There was one grade 5 cytokine release at the 450 dose level, but this was associated with grade 3 neurotoxicity. Neurotoxicity was seen in about 25% of patients. Most were grade 1, 2. There were 2 grade 3s and 1 grade 4. One of the grade 3s was grade 3 vertigo, which did not meet the traditional ICANS criteria, but conservatively we're reporting as grade 3. In terms of response rates, the 150 dose cohort had an overall response rate of 83%, with all those patients achieving very good partial remission or better. The 300 and 450 cohorts responses were lower at 40 to 60%, but many of these patients actually were early and had not had 2 different time points to confirm their response, and no confirmed responses were included in the overall response. So the hope is with longer follow-up, those will become responses later on. What's interesting is in the higher dose cohorts, all patients who have achieved a confirmed response, none have relapsed. So hopefully that will translate into a better duration of that remission. Yeah, so this study is still accruing. The next plan is to expand the 450 dose cohort, and that is ongoing at this time.